but due to all the variables, you can't quite pilot and dance simultaneously.
What intervals are you running at?
20 seconds.
You can get away with 30.
Standard iteration is 20.
Standard iterations for standard situations. With such low fuel pressure to begin with, vent too soon, you won't make it into orbit. Vent every 30. She can take it.
Maybe we should put the CPDS back in.
That's over 700 pounds. We only got 200 to play with.
Interesting. How much do you weigh?
Excuse me?
You're like 174, 75?